Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you the part 2 on how to crochet vest sweater. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and hit the bell icon. And if you haven't watched the previous part, then please check. I'll put the link in the description box down below. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Till here I have shown in part 1. Now, I'll show you how to crochet the neckline. One side I have done already. Don't get confused because I'm going to show you the same thing. Measure 3 inches and mark it. Make a slip knot. Insert your hook into the center. Pull through and chain 2. One double crochet into the next and yarn over 2 times and make a front post triple crochet. And rest of the stitches are same. Walk till the marker. Chain 1, turn your work. Work single crochet. Into the last 2 stitches, make a decrease. In every last 2 stitches, while working single crochet, do not forget to decrease. Chain 3, turn your work. To make V neckline, we have to decrease in every single crochet into the last 2 stitches. Once you are done working till the same length of the back piece, chain 1 and cut it. Take your back piece, measure 3 inches on both sides from the edge and mark it. Chain 3, turn your work. Work 1 double crochet till the marker. Chain 1 and cut it. Do the same thing on the other side. Now join it by working slip stitch. Make a slip knot. Insert into the center, pull through and chain 2. Make 1 double crochet all the way around. I'll just leave it like this. If you want to make ribbing, you can do it. I have joined 2 pieces by working slip stitch. slip stitch to join. And here, make the same ribbing design, front post and back post double crochet. Once you're done, your sweater will look like this. If you really enjoyed this video and want this type of tutorial videos from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thank you for watching.